Maraming freelancers ang nag-aalala na baka pag nagtanong sila sa client is magmukha silang tanga. Pero what if I told you na may paraan para magtanong ng right type of questions ay makakabuo ng tiwala with the clients? So imagine, yung mga conversations ng clients is maging opportunity para ma-demonstrate mo naman yung expertise mo. And today, I'm gonna show you the questions that you should ask clients para ma-showcase mo yung expertise mo sa client and then makita ka nila na invaluable partner para sa business nila. So if you're ready, grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Okay guys, so here's the big problem. Most freelancers think that asking questions, being curious, might expose them as inexperienced or not knowing what's going on. And again, this is understandable and there's a few reasons why it exists. Number one is that it makes the freelancers feel of looking unprepared and unqualified. Because if they don't know what's happening, they're asking too many questions, they might think the clients think they're stupid or something. They don't know. Number two is they lack the confidence in leading the conversation with the client. It's a technique that I would say not a lot of earlier freelancers really leverage, but there's a big opportunity for you to have the clients open up the door for you to then come in and showcase what you actually do. And then the last one is that there's uncertainty on what questions either add value to clients or annoy clients. They don't know the difference. But what if asking the right ones actually increase your perceived value with clients and then see you more as a higher value freelancer for the job? Let's break it down. All right, so here's the approach: curiosity, clarity, and connection. All right, so the first one, curiosity. What you want to do is show genuine interest and curiosity about the project, the client's needs, and the challenges. So even before your interview, you could start looking up their social media pages, their website, do an audit of what they're doing, and then come up with what you want to know during the interview, and then see how else you can help. So genuine curiosity. Number two is clarity. You want to ask questions that helps you and the clients clearly understand what the goals are and the requirements are for the project. So if a client mentions, I want to grow on social media, get clarity out of that. By what percent, what platform, follower count, engagement, your competitors, how much budget do you have in place for this? There's an array of questions regarding clarity that makes the clients think, okay, they want to know more and they want to get a clearer picture of the actual outcome. And the third one is connection. You want to use questions to build rapport, trust, and confidence in you, right? And then build that collaborative environment so clients see you as a partner, again, instead of just a person following orders. Why does this approach work? Number one, it demonstrates your commitment to really understand their business. Number two is it helps define clear objectives and deliverables. Again, you want to have a goalpost, a roadmap of what you want to achieve, because without that, regardless how the client gives you information and instruction and however you can help them, there's no direction on where you're actually going, right? So there's no clear expectations. And the third one is it fosters an environment where clients see you as a problem solver. And that's where you want to be seen as. People pay for problems being solved at the end of the day. They might like you, not like you, but if you're a good problem solver, they will definitely take that into consideration. All right, let's take it to the real world. For example, a client asks you during the interview, do you have any questions? A Brad freelancer might say, no sir, no questions, thank you, everything good to go, and just not even engage. A better freelancer, here's what you can say instead. If they ask you, do you have any questions? You can respond and say, actually client, yes I do. Can you tell me more about the specific challenges you're experiencing with the project? How do you envision a successful outcome for the project? What are the biggest pitfalls you're experiencing while trying to accomplish the project? So by asking these thoughtful questions and genuinely wanting to know how to help them, being clear, finding clarity, and then building that personal connection and rapport with them, these types of questions move the ball forward in order for you to be seen as that go-to freelancer. So here's what I'd like you to do. During your next interview, when asked, do you have any questions? List down the questions that you have even before the call, and then start asking these smart questions that position you as the thinking expert that's going to be the person to get the job done for them. And as usual, let us know. Drop it in the comments below. Did it work? Did it not work? Did it improve your results? Did it make it worse? I'd love to know. If you have any other questions, drop them in there too, and we'll make a video to respond to them. But wait, if you're still on those interviews and you just cannot lock in the deal, you cannot get in the offer, or you're leaving the interview with a weak last impression, you might want to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because the next video I'm gonna teach you the final impression hack in order to leave a strong, lasting impression with the clients, making them decide to choose you for the job. All right, so if you're interested, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, peace.